Okay, hello, good day everyone. So let's continue to the next topic under in the logic, chapter 5, lesson 3, truth tables for conditional and biconditional. Okay, so in the past discussion um about the truth tables for conjunction, disjunction, and negation. So ito po ay connected lang, no? In the negation, conjunction, and disjunction. So meron lang pong na-add na another topic, which is the conditional and biconditional statement. So take note that the connective of type of statement under connective symbol for the conditional is the connective words if then statement. So that is if then statement. Okay, and the symbol for the if then statement is parang ray, no, going to right, and the type statement is conditional. Pag biconditional naman, that is if and only if, or IFF, if and only if, and yung symbol niya is parang line, no. Okay, biconditional. Okay, type of statements. Okay, so ito yung table ng conditional statement and the biconditional statement. So take note the formulation of the table of the conditional and biconditional statement. So parang katulad lang ng disjunction and negation, no? Okay, so let's have an example, no? Construct a truth table for P. Okay, pag ganyang symbol, ano yan? That is conditional, no? So P conditional to negation of Q. So take note. So we're going to solve or illustrate this example number 1. No, so take note, meron tayong propositions P and Q. And ito yung copy lang natin yung given, no. So T and T, TF, FT, FF. So first thing, no, to obtain or to solve this one, dapat i-negate muna natin si Q, yung opposite lang ng Q. So what is the opposite of Q? Propositions Q. Okay, so yung opposite ng true, maging false yan, or F. Yung F maging true, yung T maging false, yung F maging true. Yan, or T. So after that, so we have conditional, no, symbol. So conditional symbol, so yung P conditional to negation Q. So erase muna natin. Yung P conditional to Q, negation Q. So hindi na ito kasali. So partner lang natin, no, using the conditional table. Ito yung conditional table. So T and TF, so TF, so yung sagot dyan is F. Yan, F. True, true, true. Okay, yan. Tingnan lang natin, no, based on the table. Yung false FF maging true, ay yung FT naman maging FT maging true. And that would be the answer for the example number 1. So next is example number 2. Construct a truth table for negation P, okay, biconditional to Q. So sulat muna natin yung given, no, ng mga propositions under in the P and Q. So ito yung mga propositions niya, no, T, T, TF, FT, and FF. So after that, negation. Unahin natin yung sa may negation P, no, to solve for biconditional, no. So negation P, yung opposite ng T maging F, yung opposite ng T maging F, F maging T, and F maging T. So that would be the answer for the negation P, no, opposite lang. Then after that, okay, yung negation P, okay, biconditional to Q. Okay, so hindi nakasali po itong P dito, no? Yung negation P, biconditional to Q. So unahin natin yung F to T. So saan yung F to T? F to T, so maging T. Yan. Yung F, F, so FF dyan is T. Yan, T. Yung true, true, maging true. Yung false, true, maging false, true. Maging, negation P, false, true is true. Dapat true dito, no? Ay, true, false pala. True, false. Tama. Yung true, false is true, false is false. So, tama. No? Example number 2. Tama yan. Okay, so, yan. Okay na. Next is, construct a truth table for, so, ano yung symbol dito, no? Pag ganito, yung V. So, OR ba yan? OR, no? Disjunction. Okay. P disjunction to Q by conditional to negation P. So, yung first, to solve this one, unahin natin muna is inside the parentheses, no? So, sino yan? Sino dito, no? Inside the parentheses. Si negation P. So, i-negate muna natin yung P, no? So, opposite lang ng T, F. Opposite ng T, F. Yung opposite ng F, maging T. Opposite ng F, maging T. So, tapos na tayo. Then, after that, okay na ito. I-by conditional muna natin. No? Or, saan yung mas okay? Yes. No? Unahin natin yung parenthesis muna. No? By conditional. So, by conditional, no? Q, P to Q. Ito yung table ng biconditional. So, unahin natin yung, ignore na muna natin yung P dito, no? So, Q to P, no? So, Q to P. So, F, unahin yung P, no? Under ng proposition P or negation P. So, FT, saan yung FT dito? Yan. So, true. After that, false, false, true. Yan, tama. True, true. True, true, true. False, true. False, true is true. So, okay na. No, okay na tayo dito. Then, after that is the disjunction of P disjunction, okay? For this answer, no? P disjunction for this answer. So, P, okay? Ignore natin yung Q dito. Yung negation P, and ito na lang yung remaining, no? Okay, so unahin natin yung P. So, dapat meron tayong disjunction table, ha? Okay, yan ang disjunction table. So, P, okay, T and F, so true. Yan. True, true, true. Okay, tama. False, true is true. Yan. And false true is true. Okay, so yan po, no, yung sagot for the example number 3. Then after that is construct a truth table for P by conditional to Q. Okay, conditional to Q, P conditional to Q, and by conditional naman doon sa negation P conditional to Q. So medyo mahaba yung sagot dito, no. So, unahin natin yung, sino yung target natin dito? Unahin natin yung negation P, no? Para masagutan natin. So, negation P, yung proposition under in the P is, in-negate lang natin, no? Yung opposite lang. So, T, F, F, T, Okay. Opposite. So, tapos na dito. And then, after that is, yung conditional ng negation P to Q. So, T yung conditional table, no? So, ignore natin yung P dito. So, remaining is negation P and Q. So, FT. So, FT is true. FF dyan is okay, conditional. So, dapat FF is T. So, merong mali dito, no? So, dapat T. So, true. FT is true. Okay, tama. So, okay na tayo dito, no? Okay, okay na, check. After that, unahin natin dito yung wait, meron tayong mali dito, no? So, for the dito. So, wait. So, balikan natin yung negation P. So, okay na yung negation P. So, next is yung P to Q, no? So, meron akong na mali, no? So, P to Q, no? Unahin muna natin si biconditional to P to Q. So, true. So, TF, FT is true, and FF is true. Okay, so okay na. So, pasensya na po, no? Okay, so next is, okay na ito. So, next is, ito. Negation P and Q, no? Negation P and Q. So, ito yung negation. Ignore natin dito, no? Ignore natin yan. So, negation P and Q. Ay, no. So, ignore natin si P. Negation P and Q. So, ito yung ignore natin dito, no? So, negation P and Q. Okay, yung Q, ito. F and T. So, conditionally yan, no? Okay, ito yung conditional table. So, F and T is true. Yan. F and FF is true. True is true. Diyan, true. And FT is F. Unahin natin. T and F is, yan. F. Okay, so, okay na. Next naman, so, okay na po, no, si P to Q, and negation P and Q. So, after that po is yung biconditional, no? Because meron siyang biconditional symbol, no, in the middle. So, yung sagot dito, no, yung P and Q, ito, yung columns niya, and the columns po ng negation P by conditional to Q. So, true. So, using the biconditional table, so true is true. Okay, FT is F. FT is F. Yan. And true is true. T and F is F. And that would be all, no, for the answer of example number 4. So, under in the truth tables for conditional and biconditional. So, thank you so much and God bless.